Good evening, family. 2 days, reignited and restored revival at the New Covenant Church. I'm asking you to come on out in person. It will not be live on Facebook or YouTube. It'll be only in person. Why? Because we're going to spend time in praise and worship. And then we have 5 dedicated prayer rooms with 5 dedicated themes that's just right for us right now. So I need you to come out so that we can pray together, so we can pray together, so that we can pray together and watch God move for this revival to be reignited and restored. It's only going to be in person. No YouTube, no Facebook. Just simply praise and worship. Prayer time. Prayer time. Hear me now. Prayer time. We need to make this thing practical enough so that we are ready for what God has in store for us. I want to see you Thursday at 7. I want to see you Friday at 7. Only for 1 hour. Come on out and let's pray together so we can grow together, be strong together, and be ready together. Peace.